Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to buy Dogecoin on KuCoin. First, create and verify your KuCoin account, then enable two-step verification for security. Next, fund your account with fiat or crypto, choose the Doge trading pair, and set a market or limit order. Finally, transfer Doge to a private wallet for long-term holding and review fees and limits before confirming any trade. Start by signing up on KuCoin using a secure password and a unique email address to protect access. Complete identity verification to increase withdrawal and trading limits and to comply with exchange rules. Enable two-step authentication to add an extra security layer, and whitelist withdrawal addresses if you plan to move assets off the exchange later. These steps minimize risk and prepare your account for smooth Doge purchases. To buy Doge, deposit fiat with a supported payment method or transfer crypto like BTC or USD into KuCoin. Navigate to the Markets tab, find the Doge trading pair you want, and decide whether a market order or limit order fits your strategy. Enter the amount of Doge or the currency value to spend, check fees and slippage estimates, then confirm the trade and monitor the execution to ensure a smooth purchase.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.